Lolo Lawrence, now that you are in the loving arms of God, I hope na maging happy ka dyan in heaven with Tito Salvi and the rest of your sons. Thank you for your love kay Papa, kina Tito, kay Tita Lot, and sa amin na mga grandchildren mo. It's just so sad na hindi ka namin nakita bago ka umalis, pero mamimiss ka namin lahat, especially yung mga stories mo about dun sa World War. And we love you, and till we meet again.